VHS Overlay Toolkit for After Effects. Here in the project window you have 4 folders, a 4K, an HD, a portrait and a square aspect ratio of the identical overlay toolkit. In our example we will use an HD. So double click here the main VHS number 1 and have it in your timeline. The red color layer is the placeholder. So drag and drop one of your media above this place your image layer. And then you already have a result here, but selecting the blue color layer you have the controls. First of all, you have your title here. The text color for that title is here. The title can be edited by the Edit Text Screen Color layer here. In most of the examples, the text layer is in 0 size, like this, so you can't see it at all. 2 masks, 16 by 9 and 4 by 3. And here is the colorize effect. From here you adjust the color of your footage, whether you need a 100% interaction or a lower. And from this wheel you adjust the color you like to have. Of course you have a colorize saturation and the colorize lightness. So you can succeed a very accurate color result. Then you have some black lines, as you see here, these horizontal lines, which are going up and down like a bad signal. A vignette using this checkbox. The camera shake is already selected. Dust and scratches. Let's remove the grain. Dust and scratches are some small dots and hairlines. Grain. A color shift effect. You see the colors shifting from the image. An extra button for even lower quality. Some horizontal jitters as you see here. Distortion lines. Bottom to top distortion above and below. And here you have the play text. Let's remove the top bottom. Here is the play. The time code as you see here. Of course you can move the play. You can move the time code as well. By selecting the play comp and go to reveal layer in the project window, you can see that you have a rec button here, rewind and an SP. All these effects will help you make a unique VHS result, whether that is for an HD or a 4K format. Additionally, of the VHS main folder we were just explaining, you have a warning text, as you see here, where of course you can edit the top text and the bottom. Controls are identical. You have 3 of those warning texts presets. There are some typewriter texts. This is text number 1. What you need to do is go to the placeholder, red color layer, and edit that text. You need to take care not to scale the text, because this slash, this line won't follow if you scale it. You just need to edit the text from the character effects. The rest of the effects are identical with the distortion lines and the grain and all you need. There are some color bars here. Again, using the same controls with the masks and all the of the toolkit, including camera shake, dust and scratches, and many more. Finally, you have a turn off and a turn on TV effect, as well as the TV noise. All timelines, all templates, all presets are in 1 minute duration. I hope you enjoy working with this VHS overlay toolkit for After Effects. Thanks for watching.